Ever wondered how to make a delicious Thai red curry chicken at home? Today, we're going to unravel the secrets to a simple yet mouth-watering recipe. All you need are boneless chicken, red curry paste, coconut milk, a red bell pepper, an onion, and optional ingredients such as mushrooms, vegetable oil, fish sauce, brown sugar, lime juice, and fresh cilantro leaves. And of course, don't forget the rice for serving. So, are you ready to embark on this culinary adventure? Now let's gather all these ingredients and get started. Begin by heating the vegetable oil in a large skillet or wok over medium heat. The warmth of the oil will be the first step in unlocking the flavors of our ingredients. Next, add in the red curry paste. This is the heart of our dish, the source of that rich, aromatic taste that Thai red curry is celebrated for. Stir-fry this paste, letting it sizzle and dance in the hot oil. After about a minute, you'll notice the fragrance filling up your kitchen, a sign that it's time to introduce the chicken. Slice your chicken into thin strips and add it to the skillet. As it cooks, the chicken will soak up the flavors of the curry paste, transforming into succulent morsels of deliciousness. Make sure to cook it until it's no longer pink, which should take around 5 to 6 minutes. With the chicken cooked and curry paste fragrant, it's time to add more flavor. Pour in the coconut milk and stir well to combine with the chicken and curry paste. Ah, the sweet aroma of coconut milk. It brings a creamy richness and a subtle sweetness that balances the spicy kick of the red curry paste. Now let's introduce some color and texture into our curry. Toss in the sliced red bell pepper, onion, and mushrooms. The bell pepper offers a delightful crunch, the onion adds a touch of sweetness, and the mushrooms lend an earthy flavor. Stir everything together, ensuring all the ingredients are well coated with the curry and coconut milk blend. Let the curry simmer gently over medium heat. This is when the magic happens. The curry bubbles away, the vegetables soften, and the flavors intensify. Give it about 10 to 15 minutes. You'll see the vegetables become tender, and the curry thickens slightly. The ingredients all soak up the flavors, making every bite a flavor explosion. As the curry simmers, the flavors meld together, creating a delicious base for our Thai red curry chicken. Taste the curry and adjust the seasoning as needed. This is where your individual palate comes into play. You're the master of your kitchen, and you have the power to make this dish uniquely yours. Let's start with fish sauce. It might sound a bit unusual, but it's a staple in Thai cuisine. This sauce adds a wonderful depth of flavor and a touch of saltiness to the dish. Don't shy away from it, give it a try. If you're vegetarian or simply don't fancy the idea, you can always skip it. Next, we've got brown sugar or palm sugar. This ingredient is optional, but it does add a hint of sweetness that beautifully balances the heat from the curry paste. It's a subtle addition, but it can make a world of difference to the overall flavor profile. And lastly, we have lime juice. This is for those who crave that refreshing tang in their curry. A splash of lime juice can brighten up the whole dish, adding an acidic note that cuts through the richness of the coconut milk and the spice from the curry paste. Now, to serve this mouth-watering dish, simply ladle the curry over a bed of fluffy cooked rice. This will soak up all the delicious sauce and make every bite an explosion of flavor. For an extra touch of freshness, garnish with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro leaves. And there you have it, a delicious homemade Thai red curry chicken right in your kitchen. Adjust the spice level and additional seasonings according to your taste preferences. Enjoy!